Hello everyone. Today's question is crossed lines. We write the integers of a and b in the order they are given on two separate horizontal lines. Now we may draw connecting lines, a straight line connecting two numbers ai and bj such that ai equals to bj. The line we draw doesn't intersect any other connecting non-horizontal line. Note that connecting lines cannot intersect even at endpoints. Each number can only belong to one connecting line. Return the maximum number of connecting lines we can draw in this way. Now we will move to the pen and paper. Now we will understand this question using this given example. A and B are two separate horizontal lines. We check AI equals to BJ or not. If AI equals to BJ, then we will draw a connecting line. So AI equals to BJ. Yes. So we draw a connecting line. So now we move to the next element, that is 4. So AI equals to BJ. No. So now we move to the next B element. So that is 4. So now our B A1 is matched with B2. So if AI is matched with BJ, so then only we connect the same value, because this is both are 4, so we connect the two element with a straight line. So now we check the next element, that is 2. So as you can see, 2 is matched with B's element 2, but if we draw a line between these two, then this will intersect the 4 and 4 line. So in our questions, the line we draw doesn't intersect any other connecting line, so we can't draw this line. So here we can take only 4 4 or 2 2. So we have to choose one of them. So now our answer is 2, because our option is we can choose one, and we can choose one between these two, that is 2 2 or 4 4. So our answer should be 2. So I hope its question is clear to you. Now I will move to the solution part. So first I will take two horizontal straight line, that is A and B. So now A is 1 4 2 5 and B is 1 4 5 4. So I'm going to solve this question using dynamic programming. If you are not familiar with dynamic programming, please don't avoid this topic. This is most important topic for interview. Go to the description and learn a lot about dynamic programming, and basically you have to practice a lot for this dynamic programming, because this is the most hot and toughest topic for coding interview. So now I will take len b plus 1 size of dp, and initially I will put 0 into it. So we first check 1. We check A's left element to B's right element, means we check A from left and check B from right. As you can see, this is matched. No. So this 1 and 4 is not matched, and 1 and 5 also not matched. 1 and 1 is matched. So 1 and 1 is matched, mean so it's matched from A0 and J0. So we will update the DP. How we update the DP? We update the DP. J plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is J plus 1. J is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, if it is not clear, it will be clear in implementation part. I will provide you the code. So now we move to the we will check the maximum value in DP. First we take 0 and 1, maximum between these two, that is 1, and check, move to the next two, that is 1 or 0, maximum between these two. So first 0 and 1, that is maximum 1, so 1 is already there. So we check 1 or 0, maximum is 1, so we update it, and again we move to the next value. So 1 and 0, maximum is 1, so we update it again. 1 and 0, maximum is 1, we update it. Okay, now we move to the next A value, that is 4. So we check 4 is matched. Yes, 4 is matched. So now our A4 is matched with B4. So we update our DP. So now this one is matched with J is our 3. So J plus 1, that is 4. Last element 1 plus 1. We update the DP. So now our DP dp4 value is 1 plus 1, that is 2, previous value plus 1. Okay, so now we check this one and this one. This is not matched. Again 4 is matched with this value, so again this is 1, so we update dp2, dp1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1, that is 2. And now we will choose the maximum value and update the dp. So 0 1 maximum is 1, 1 2 maximum is 2, and 2 1 maximum is 2. We update this 2, so that is 2, and 2 2 is always updated. Now we move to the next value, that is 2. So there is no matched for 2, so we will check the from B right element, that is not matched, and again decrease the jth value and check, there is not match again, and checked with 4, that is not matched again, and checked with 0, that is also not match. And if it is not match, we will not update our dp. So now we'll simply move to our next value, that is 5. So we check this is not matched, so 5 is matched. So now is matched with bj2 value, so we will update the dp j plus 1, that is we will update the dp3, dp j plus 1. A formula, dp updated formula is when the value ai value is matched with bj value, then we will apply this formula to update our dp, that is dpj plus 1 equals to dpj plus 1, that is 3. So now there is no matched for 5, so we move to the dp update value, that is 0 and 1 maximum is 1, and 1 and 2 maximum is 2, and 2 and 3 maximum is 3, so we update 3, and 3 is our desired answer for this example. Still you have doubt, no need to worry about it, I will explain it again in our implementation part. Now I will move to the implementation part in our coding part. Okay, now we will take length of a and length of b, alien a and alien b, and we take a dp size alien b plus 1. So now our outer for loop, we iterate the a horizontal line, and inside this outer for loop, that is we iterate the b element from right side, as I already explained you in our explanation. If ai equals to bj, then we will update dp j plus 1 equals to dpj plus 1, and when it will over, then we will update pick the maximum value between dp j plus 1 and dpj. So dp j plus 1 equals to max of dp j plus 1 and dpj. Okay, I hope now you understood this solution. So now simply we return dp length of b. Now we'll check our code is working or not. Yeah, that's my bad. Okay, we have to add bracket. Yes, and now I check it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. So now I will submit it. Yeah, got accepted. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.